Today, we're installing the DRT Motorsports XPEDITION Exhaust cover, designed to fit the 2024 and up 2- and 4-door models. This installation takes about 15 minutes and can be done on your own and comes in with the difficulty level of beginner. You'll need a power drill and a 10mm socket. Step 1. Remove the factory exhaust cover by loosening and taking out the 4 bolts holding it in place. Now for step 2. Position the new DRT Motorsports cover by aligning its 4 mounting holes with the tabs on the exhaust. Carefully thread in each bolt by hand, ensuring all are properly aligned before fully tightening them. This cover is engineered to follow the body lines of your vehicle while improving airflow across high heat zones. It's made from laser-cut aerospace-grade aluminum, formed and welded for durability, and finished in our premium black DRT powder coat. It also features a laser-cut aluminum mesh panel with a mil-spec clear anodized finish for added style and performance. Once the cover is sitting evenly, use your power drill to securely tighten all 4 bolts. Just be careful not to over-tighten. That's it. Your new DRT Motorsports XPEDITION exhaust cover is now installed. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the dirt with DRT.